Hey there. Are you thinking about diving into crypto trading but worried about getting scammed? You're not alone. Let's break down how to verify if a crypto trading platform is legit. First off, research the company behind the website. A legitimate platform will have a transparent company profile. Check out their About Us section for details on the team, their mission, and background. Next, head over to social media platforms. Look for official accounts on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Legit companies are active on social media and engage with their followers. If you see a verified badge, that's a good sign. Then dive into online forums and blogs. Websites like Reddit and Bitcoin Talk often have discussions about various crypto platforms. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews. If you notice a pattern of complaints or red flags, steer clear. Don't forget to verify their licensing and regulatory compliance. Trusted platforms usually display their licenses and are registered with financial authorities. Double-check this information with the regulatory body's official website. Another tip is to assess their security measures. Look for features like two-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage for funds. A secure platform will prioritize protecting your assets. Finally, reach out to their customer support. A legitimate platform will have responsive and helpful support teams. Send them a query and see how quickly and effectively they respond. So that's it. Do your homework, verify information, and trust your gut. Happy trading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips.